Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to deshell a coconut and peel off the brown skin. This is a very easy and quick trick that you all must know, so let's get started. Today I've taken a coconut, clean both the ends well, wash it and keep it ready. Break the coconut into two halves. Heat some water in a pan and place the coconut in the center. Make sure the water level is below the coconut. Let this boil for 5 minutes in high flame. Once done, remove and allow it to cool completely. Now pierce a knife through the edge and loose it a little. Your coconut is going to pop out. Now using a peeler, peel off the brown skin. Now the coconut is neatly peeled off and ready to use. Hope this was a useful trick. Do try this trick at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.